The Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee Communications and Social Media Department was revamped on Thursday with Priyank Kharge, Congress MLA, appointed as the chairman, and Mansoor Ali Khan, KPCC General Secretary, as its co-chairman. Nagaraj Yadav, newly elected Congress MLC, is the chief spokesperson cum convener of communications, while MLC Dinesh Guligauda and former MLC Ramesh Babu are the vice chairmen. 4 women party functionaries, Lavanya Bala, Kavita Reddy, Nagalakshmi and Aishwarya Mahadev, are spokespersons cum general secretaries of the department.